Ever wonder how to bring a burst of color and unique artistry to your garden? Picture this: garden mosaics, transforming ordinary spaces into vibrant masterpieces. Diverse in design, size, and materials, these mosaics add a unique flair. Well, creating your own garden mosaic isn't as complex as it seems. Creating garden mosaics involves a simple, yet gratifying process. It begins with choosing a design. You can either sketch your own or pick one from the countless patterns available online. The key is to select a design that reflects your personal style and complements your garden's aesthetic. Next, gather your materials. You'll need mosaic tiles, which can be purchased, or alternatively, you can use broken pottery or glass. Don't be afraid to get creative and resourceful here. Other essentials include a base for your mosaic, adhesive, and grout. Once you have your design and materials, it's time to arrange the pieces. This step requires patience and precision. Start from the center of your design, working your way outwards. And remember, there's no rush. Take your time to ensure each piece fits perfectly. After your pieces are arranged, you'll need to seal your mosaic for outdoor use. Apply grout between the pieces, smoothing it out with a sponge. Once the grout has dried, seal your masterpiece with a weather-resistant sealant. With patience and creativity, you can create a garden mosaic that is both beautiful and unique. The process can be therapeutic, and the end result? A stunning, colorful addition to your garden that's a true reflection of you. So, what have we learned about garden mosaics today? They can transform any outdoor space, and with a dash of creativity and resourcefulness, anyone can create them. Remember, your garden is your canvas, and with garden mosaics, you can create your own colorful masterpiece. Before we end this video, why not try creating your own garden mosaics? If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gardening inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see your colorful garden mosaics.